boat delivery, Nordhavn 76, Honolulu to Seattle. Day number 5. We are on 30 north, 154 west. 3 knots of wind, some squalls east of us. It will be nice if we can get some rain so it washes off the boat. Making about 6 to 8 knots, burning 7 gallons an hour. With this rate we have more than 4,000 mile range. We need 2,400. Plenty of fuel. Zero problems with the boat. Weather is like this. We're out of the trade winds north of them. Caught some fish yesterday. We're probably gonna catch more today. That's the pilot house. Engine room cameras, one of the radars, multiple chart plotters, more cameras. And if somebody doesn't believe me, 160-ton boat can go with less than a gallon a mile. 7 gallons an hour. 7.6 feet over ground. It's been going on like this. 7.7. It's been going on like this for days.